Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. It is Friday, February 24th. It's about 6:45, 6:50. Here we go, 6:50 Central Standard Time. Going to get it done a little bit early this morning. It's Friday. I always like to quit early on Fridays. So let's get started with this. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to talk about areas of consolidation for the day. Look at the movements of the yes. Look for possible targets to the downside and possible targets to the upside. As you can see, last night we had open here at 2361, and pretty much from the get-go we started moving to the downside as we broke below the 24-hour VWAP and this zone. Then we have this nice drop down right through here, and we found overnight lows, which just a few minutes ago at 2351, at which it turned out to be market profile support. We need to hold this on a daily time frame, and I'll show you that chart in just a minute. And then we're just done a little bit of retracement area, and the market's trying to decide if we're going to hold that or are we going to try to break to the upside. So let's assume it doesn't, and we're going to break to the downside. Next move down will be down into the 2350 and then down to the 2344 into this zone on a 4-hour trifocal market profile and this daily resistance area. So more than likely, if these buyers don't step in pretty quick, we're more than likely going to get the move down all the way through this zone. Of course, there'll be a retest of this low and then back down into this zone. And then again, back up here. And as they try to step in, it may even come all the way back up to the bottom of this zone, more than likely about the 48 area, and then drop down into this zone. Now, once you get down past 44, if it holds here and into this zone, that's a good chance for the reversal today and move back up. So we need to keep an eye on this area. This zone is going to be very, very tough to get through today, but it could break on through it. But I think we're going to hold the zone and then possibly move right back up unless they just want to, like I said, dump for the rest of the day. Just be cautious, very cautious in this area. Next zone's down to the 37 area, and then we've got zones, previous structure yesterday from last week at 23 area, 2331. So now let's take a look. What if we go to the upside? Use the zones again like we always do as support and resistance, key reversal areas. If we hold this double bottom, and this is just a little bit of retracement to the top of the zone again, and it drives up, look for us to go test the 24-hour VWAP up here, come back and retest again the bottom of this zone, and then drive all the way back up here and test the bottom of the zone, and then up into this open area. Going to get a pullback somewhere to retest this area of support, this structure over here. So we're looking possible pullbacks to the 2357.50 area and then drive right back up into here. Now we've got to get the close above the overnight high of 2361.75 in order to continue up. If we get the move up to maybe around 2364, look for it to come back and test right here at the open and even test this at the same move and look for it to rotate around at 2361 and head to the next zone at 2366. Of course, watch out for yesterday's zone as we double top into this area and a pullback as well. But just keep an eye on that. As we move up today, there are possible from yesterday's high, move up to this zone is 67.50. Again, pullbacks to that probably right around the 64.75, and then this is where we decide if we're going to just consolidate, call it a day, or move all the way up into this 23.50. Be aware and have a plan for all three actions. We actually have zones up into the 23.76 area today if that's possible. Okay, follow-up zone into 23.80. Don't expect that to happen. But this market is crazy enough to do about anything it wants to. Have a plan for both directions. Be ready to make those decisions. And everybody have a great day trading. If you need any help, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.